Money on my motherfucking mind. Cut 5 haircuts at the same time.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's Yabis here, coming at you with another amazing Gucci video.
Gucci.
Say hi, Fish Fam.
Ah, Jesus Christ. Hi, Fish Fam.
Okay, well,
I'm not funny though.
That's true. Let's get right
Oh
into
boy,
this.
this is like my favorite game.
Well, then get into the React worlds.
The React.
I would be using the green screen for this. The thing
But
is,
it's not
guys,
set up, and
it's set. I could set it up within like minutes.
his
but
light's broken.
The light's broken. So well, I'm gonna get a new light, and then I'll next playthrough. I did not get the butterscotch pie. My regret.
Why? Did
Because
you where are you in the game?
I'm at Snowden. I already met Sans and Papyrus.
Okay.
What route are you taking? Pacifist.
Sweet.
If you guys want a Genocide route,
Or that like button. Yeah, hit
If
that
we
like
can
button and let us know in the comments.
if we can
Like a
hit
grandpa.
if we can hit half a like,
Half a like.
then I'll do Genocide.
We can hit 2/4 of a like.
Or it's like
Wait.
oh, whoops.
Oh,
I just enjoy this part of Undertale so much.
yeah.
The fights, they're so
Especially the dude.
oh I won.
Yeah, but and it's still pacifist.
Yeah,
I'm pretty sure it still contributes to the pacifist route. Which is pretty sick, dude. It's a fishing rod in the ground. Reel it in. Oh, it's attached. Is the end of potato leg? Call me. Here's my number. You decide not to call. Oh, right. This is
that's
the mic.
the mic.
I'm sorry. I just wanted to see a bit.
You're sad, Finn. Thing is about Undertale, I can play this game without lagging, because of my recording.
I'm not this short. My chair's shorter than his. Okay. So as I was saying about Undyne, I can't hear any music. Oh. Sans, oh my god, is that human? Looks so familiar. It's a rock. It looks familiar.
Oh, you should do the voices.
I don't.
If you do Sans, I'll do Papyrus.
I have a higher voice.
Just do it!
I can't
Okay,
do
fine.
Sans.
Fine, I'll be Sans. Because it looks like a rock. Go.
Oh. I'm just gonna do that.
Hey, what's that in front of the rock?
Oh my god!
Oh my
That's
god!
so bad. Is that a human?
Yes.
Oh my god. I'm just gonna do my normal voice.
No.
I can do Sans.
No,
'cause he
do
has
it.
a normal
Then,
voice.
no. Come on.
Command.
Command.
Command, dude. I'm gonna do this voice for you.
I'm sure you guys can
Sans.
read.
I finally did it. I'm done, Will. I'm gonna. I'll be so popular. Ahem. Human! You shall not pass this area!
Alright, go, bro. You wanna go?
I, the great papyrus, will stop you.
One more time. I, the great papa.
See, you're so much better.
Oh, am I better, guys? I
Yeah,
don't
you're
think
so
I'm
much better. Hey, kiddo. Hey.
I will then capture you. Yeah, Papyrus. You will be delivered to the capital. Well, I'll make you.
You weren't even reading any of the other parts. You weren't.
I don't care.
He doesn't know that they're gonna kill you.
Oh.
Well, that went well. Hey, don't sweat it, kid. I'll keep an eye socket out for you. Ha ha ha.
It's a funny joke.
Ha 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 ha.
I know Doggo's in there.
Can't see.
There's some narration on this cardboard box. You observe the well.
Is that not in Papyrus?
Yeah, that's in Papyrus.
So.
But you do it.
Papyrus. You observe the well-crafted sentry station. Who could have built this, you ponder? Oh boy.
No, I want you to move
Okay.
over so you're in the camera. Don't want you to.
You
move
just.
over.
I bet it was that very famous royal guardsmith. Not yet a very famous royal guardsmith. Ice cat!
Oh, I should probably turn on lighting.
Bro. See, that's good. You can turn on yours.
I love how that the eye cap is clear.
Yeah. It's like a PNP, G.
Oh my
God.
ah!
Say my hat's too hot.
What do you want
No,
me
it's-
to do?
The
Oh, yeah.
compliment again.
Yeah. What?
You can't hurt him. Just compliment him more. He looks great.
What?
And
What's the same reaction?
Yeah.
Ow!
check.
No, checking would just tell me his stats.
Check.
Yeah, I don't like your cat, bro.
Yes, it's bad. I don't like it.
I bet we get to ignore him again. Oh, there's your response.
Seems defeated.
Ah! Oh, okay.
Eee.
This is the no, I should probably take this off. This is the no,
Hurting.
can't eating run. You can't eat anything. Doggo!
Can I eat something? Did something move? It was my imagination. I can only see moving things. If someone was moving, for example, a human, I make sure it never moves again. My voice for him.
You're so intense about it.
Yeah, because he's just don't move an inch.
It's so easy.
I know, because he can't. He can only see things that are
Oh. What do I do?
What? Pet, pot.
Pot.
He
Pot.
just
Where's
sounds like
the
a
pot?
drug addict.
Where's the pot? That was
Oh,
fast.
that's his face.
We gotta find
It's
Lesser Dog and make his head just go everywhere.
Gonna need some dad treats. He like, oh yeah. Oh.
Someone's been smoking dog treats.
He called it drugs.
I love him.
I love him. Hey, look, it's Sam.
Hey, here's something important to remember. The brother has a very special attack.
If you see the blue attack, don't move and it won't hit you. That's my voice. He's an easy way to keep it in mind. Imagine stop sign. You see stop sign instead, right?
But it's red. This is against my
Stop signs are
logic.
red. So imagine a blue stop sign instead. Simple, right?
This defies my
But
logic.
fine. Think about the blue stop sign.
No.
I wanna read it. We have
No.
to go to Tem Village. Everyone
Yes.
knows about it
We're
now.
going to Tem
We're going
Village.
to Tem Village.
North ice, south ice, west ice, east, south town, and ice.
More ice.
I'm questioning how they can have.
More.
Yes, Lesser Dog! Lesser Dog! Lesser Dog!
Yeah, my boy. Oh, it's my boy. So excited.
That's the only thing you can do.
noises.
Oh!
Wrecked. He took you down.
I'm gonna use the green screen to just quick scope my heart.
No, I didn't want to take it.
That's where it started.
You could have spared him then.
Oh, it's snowman!
You should take it.
Yes, I
Yeah,
will.
take it. Bring it very far. Yes. Thank you. Got the snowman.
Don't eat him. Don't eat him, guys.
Never
He's just
eat.
a depressed snowman.
Your voice. Do your
Do
voice.
I know this person? I can't.
Do you not know? Who you know?
Of course I know who I know. I wanted to know if you know. I know. As much as I know who I know.
You didn't even read it right.
You know? Speak of the devil. In order to stop you, my brother and I have created some puzzles. I think you will find this one quite shocking. For you see, this is invisible electricity maze.
Ah, shocking. When you touched
When the walls of this maze touch.
When you touch the walls of this maze.
This is almost 20 minutes.
Just say it.
When you touch.
When you touch the walls of this maze.
This orb will administer a hot season.
So basically, he's just gonna walk to you, give you the orb, and then you just have to follow his steps. It's gonna even mark him.
I know, I've seen this. I've done this.
Because the amount of fun you will probably have is actually rather small. So, you can go ahead now.
What?
I think he has to hold the orb.
How does he just knows?
Hold this, please. It just lands on your head. Oh my
Oh, does it?
Dude, what are you doing? Stop. Stop.
Do
Stop
it.
it. Kiss me. Dude, stop.
I just skipped over like 3 lines of text.
I want to press Z.
Well, guys, I think this is it for this episode of Undertale.
Sadness.
Make sure to die in a pit. That's a joke. Don't freak out.
Next time it'll be at my house. Ha.
What?
What?
I don't care about your bad mic. He likes to brag about his mic.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
I don't.
Yes, you do.
What? You can't